Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars, a cool trick and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Now, I have to apologize. I know the thumbnail was a little bit of a clickbait thing, but you've got to see this. There's some videos that you just have to see, and I'm not kidding you. This is one you have to see. It will save you a boatload, a ton of money. You go to use your 303, what is your main thing that you do? You take a microfiber towel and you spray it, or you spray the area with way more than you need. Okay, so once you've put it on this microfiber, now it's on there wasted. Everything that's on that microfiber is wasted. You could stick it in a Ziploc bag, but it ends up drying out. So this is going to save you a bunch of money. And I've got to tell you, share this video and share it with everybody you can think of, because this will work. We're going to be putting this video on a lot of our channels because it's such a huge savings to be able to do this. So here's all you have to do. When we get done here, you will have spent $2.70 with the 303 versus $20 if you go the other route and buy just the 303 product. If we were to take this, spray it on there, I'm not even going to waste my 303. This stuff's like liquid gold. So you would spray this on there and you'd go wipe something up and it'd be all wasted. Let's do this. You take, Julio, tell everybody where all the products are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Thorrington, Reddington, Johnson, Thompson. I just say whatever names now because he changes them so much. So these right here are, well, my wife calls them butt wipes, but you can call them baby wipes if you want. Here's the gig. This is how you do it. Now, you've got to watch the whole video. If you're just cutting through the video, you're not going to get this down. You cannot make a mistake on this. It's got to be dead on. So you take your baby wipes, buttocks wipes, whatever you want to call them. All right, and you take that right there, dried out for a day, 24 hours. Take your measuring cup, you take your 303, and you add 1/2 cup. There's 16 cups in a gallon, right? 32 half cups in a gallon. So we go right to there. Once you do that, you take your baby wipes, open up the package, and you dump this in. And we just squeeze it back and forth and roll it side to side. Let that really get in there, end to end. And you will let this set for about an hour. Now watch what happens. Let's find something that we can do. Let's take a journey to the other side of the world. Okay, so that hasn't sat for an hour, but we're gonna go with that. Let's go outside. Follow me. All right, we be outside.
I'll pull that wipe out. Look at that, nicely saturated with 303.
And the longer you let the package dry out, the better. But we found a day works, but the longer the better. All right, now, look at that. Now there's rubber up here. Let's do that. Okay, I haven't wasted any. That's what I pulled off on the rubber. Now let's try this tire right here. And it's still coming off on the towel. I haven't wasted any, and it's still really wet. Still wet. And I can stick this back in the package and use it again. I don't know where you could do that with anything else. Now here's a ticket. Take this bag, stick it in a Ziploc bag. We haven't found that it evaporates or comes out of there, but just stick it inside a Ziploc bag, and when you need it, it's there. None of it is evaporated, and you just saved yourself a boatload of money. Sweet Project Cars out.